Welcome everyone to an unboxing video, my very first unboxing video ever. Hopefully you guys like this video. I bought the Magic Bullet actually, not the Nutri-Bullet. I was actually about to get that one, but I got the Magic Bullet instead for 40 bucks at Target. Let's unbox this. There you go. Oh, hey. Got some manual here. Let's see. Got some advertisement. Got the user guide and some 10-second recipe. Oh. Put that to the side. We don't want to see that. Let's see this. Oh boy. Hopefully I won't drop this. Here we go. Oh shit. Hopefully you guys can see this. Alright, let's see. Got this little extra cup. Extra cup. There it is. This. I believe there's an extra cup. Or to blend a smaller blender. Small cup, I believe. And here is the actual blender itself. Let's see, there it is. Here's a blender. Here's a little giant cup. Let's see, is this? No, actually, it's. Hey, oh wait, I'm pretty sure I can take this out. Let's see. Yo, this is a smaller one. Alright, this is a small cup. Let's put the big one back, and I'll be using a bigger one. Put that over there. Got some. What's this? This is actually a cap. Let's see. I'm pretty sure I can open this. There we go. Yep, there's a cap. Or the lid, actually. Back to the side. Oh, we got some more secret things. Hey. Come on. Some more lid. There's a cap. Another cap. And dude, here's the best part. Here's the actual machine. Put that to the side. Hey, here it is, guys. The Magic Bullet. Let's actually power this on and see how loud. Let's see if it's loud. There it is. Yo, okay, let's see. So how does this work? Just strap it in. Oh, hey, oh. Is it loud? Yo, dude, I'm gonna have a lot of smoothies. I think that's about it. Extra cup, lid, everything. But that's all for the unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Make sure to thumbs up the video, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next unboxing video or gameplay, whatever it is. Stay tuned.